Hey guys, how you doing? It's Tony. So futures are right now. Sorry, well, so futures are green right now. The one that I've been looking at the most is the US 500, which is at 436.7. Keep in mind that the equivalent of this to the SPY would be somewhere around the range of like 436, $37. But previous resistance is at closer to 439, 440. So even though futures are up, you're still down. I mean, you're still in that trading range that we were for a couple of days. You still haven't crossed over that 439, 440 level. So unless the US 500 crosses over 4400, I really doubt that the stock market or just the S&P 500 and the general market is going to recover, right? I'm still pretty bearish on the stock market after closing the month of September, full bearish. So keep in mind, I do think that there's still a lot more, there's still a lot lower that we can go, right? I still think that there's a possibility that we can go down to like $400, possibly even lower to like 380 something, 388, possibly 390. But again, futures are green. Just, it's not, they're not bigly green. If the US 500 on futures market in the futures market was over 4,400 or at least touching it, I'd be like, oh, okay, this is pretty significant. But other than that, I don't really care about the S&P 500 unless it touches 440 or at least somewhere in that range. I still think we're going down. Even though futures are green. So optimism is great, but not when TA basically says that the SPY or all futures can still drop heavy this upcoming month or the month of October. So I'll see you guys later. Futures green, but not that green. And my bias is still to the downside. So we'll see what happens in the month of October. Bye.